Dude, look how quicker this is just with a wrench. I mean, effing fudgicles.
You keep cussing. This is a family channel here.
I don't think it's a cuss word at this point. You can pretty much say some cuss words that I feel like are okay now. Like different levels.
What are the different levels of cuss words?
I would say you have level 1, 2, and 3. Where like 1 is like you can totally say that in front of kids and you probably can get away with it.
I think there's like 5 levels really.
5?
Yeah.
What's like the worst level of cussing?
Level 1.
Okay. Okay.
Level 2. No, wait. That's like, level 1 also.
That's also level 1.
Level 2.
Okay. Yeah.
God.
Well, if you add the God in there, it almost kind of makes it a little higher level because people would get really upset.
It did, Jeff.
Level 2.
It went from 1 to 3.
Oh, okay.
Level 4. No, I'm all messed up here.
In the first level.
Level 3. God. Level 4.
I thought it was in level 3.
Level 4.
When you add adjectives to the cuss word, does it make it a worse cuss word?
Yes.
It ups the level? Like
because level 5.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Right.
Level 5.
Okay, so what if you add like
level 5? That's level 5 for you folks. Those are the 3.
What if you just add like a normal word into the sentence?
Muffins?
Yeah. Like, might be like level 3, but if you add muffins, does it go to level 4 at that point?
Depending on the adjective.
Well, because
yes.
if you have a photographic memory, it could even be worse. Like you could picture a bunch of muffins.
That's not the usage of photographic memory.
Oh, you don't remember photographs of things?
But yeah, depending on the adjective, you could make a level 1 cuss word. Potentially level 4.
And you don't want to be there. Well, you might. you might want to be there. This is taking forever.
It's not taking that long.
I guess I've only been here for what, like 5 minutes?
Let's continue.
Okay.
Level 5. Trying to think of one.
Oh. Yeah, I guess. What about? That's like more of a technical
That's like
term.
over here. It's not even on the scale.
So there's like a side level.
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of having like level 1 through 5, it's more of like a 1 through 5 and then side note.
Well, for words that aren't cuss words.
Oh. It's more of just like a term, like a. It's just.
Here says what?
What?
Exactly.
Yeah. If I could just reach that micro machine without having to get up, I'm pretty sure all my problems would be solved.
Is that all of them? You know, there's one more. Come to CompletelyIrrelevant.com for more family-friendly fun and adventures and other projects and cool stuff.
And subscribe!